Struggling to make long AI videos because your character won't stay consistent? Today, I'm going to show you how to combine Nano Banana Pro and Veo 3 to produce long AI videos with perfectly consistent characters from start to finish. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. I'll be using just one AI tool, Edimakor. Click the link in the description to download it, and let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Generate character image. Once you're inside, click AI image and open the image generator. You can use text to image, reference image, or image restyler. Let's start with text to image. Now select the Google Nano Banana model. It's one of the most advanced models for AI images. Type in your prompt. If you don't know how to write one, don't worry. Just use the built-in prompt generator. I already have mine, so I'll just paste it in. Next, set your preferred aspect ratio and the number of outputs, then hit generate. The results look gorgeous. The key to keeping your characters consistent is using reference image. Go to reference image and select Google Nano Banana again. Upload the image you just generated, then type in a prompt describing the next scene. Set your aspect ratio and output quantity and hit generate. Once all your images are ready, we can move on to the next step. Step 3. Generate consistent character videos. Now right-click the image and select image to video. Next, choose the Google Veo 3 Fast model. It produces realistic visuals and natural audio. In the prompt box, describe what scene you want to process, then set your duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, and make sure Generate Audio is turned on. Once everything is ready, hit Generate. Just repeat the same steps, and you can easily create a 1-minute, 5-minute, or even 10-minute video, all with consistent characters. And that's it. Nano Banana plus Veo 3 produce long, stable, story-ready AI videos without fighting character drift ever again. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your support motivates me to keep making more tutorials.